guys, what is up? It is Jason here, and well, welcome to another just random video, I guess. So I've been taking a lot of indoor videos, and even though it's very rainy today, I wanted to come outside so you guys could see a video of me outside. So I thought that we would take I might take like a hike or something. Well, I tell you a little bit of what I'm planning to do and stuff. So yeah. All right. So to start off, more video games. I've been making lots of short videos. That's because I haven't gotten an Elgato yet. And as you can see, it's very rainy out here. I actually don't maybe zoom in. Yeah, so it's very rainy. But about the Elgato, I'm getting the Elgato soon, like maybe next month. I'm just saving up my money right now, so yeah, and then I'll be making Madden 16, Destiny. By the way, shout out to Death Machine 5557. We are going to be starting a Let's Play of Destiny, and yeah. So other than that, that's what I wanted to say right now. Still, once again, very rainy. Yeah, I just want to show you guys something before I'm done. Quickly, I might not be able to, but there's a waterfall down here. I don't know if there's water in it, but there is a waterfall down here. It's been there for a while. And so, yeah. I'm just gonna show you that, and so that will be it for today. Alright. Very rainy out here, as you can see. It's not very cold though. It's actually around like 50 degrees right now. I just decided to wear this ski mask because I don't want my face getting wet. Because I'm gonna be going back inside after I make this YouTube video, so yeah, there's the waterfall. I'll just show you a better look of it. You can see it right there. Let me get an even closer look. There's a fallen tree right there. I was going to show you guys a night hike in the snow. It was absolutely buried down here. It's crazy. But yeah, there's my waterfall right there. I'll come closer down here. Yeah, nice. Yep, well, that's it for the end of, this is it for this video. And I'll see you later. Peace!